In this video, we are going to add our Trezor hardware wallet to our DAP3 MetaMask wallet. Okay, so when you were at this stage of setting up your MetaMask wallet, we spoke about how it's not all that important to secure your wallet and write down the private keys of the MetaMask wallet because you are going to be using your private keys on your hardware wallet that have been generated offline. So the only instance that I'm going to suggest you say, remind me later, not recommended, is when you have a hardware wallet. So we are going to click on this option. And yes, we understand that we're skipping account security, and we'll click on skip. And then we are going to click on done. And next, and done. So once you've set up MetaMask, you'll be in your MetaMask account 1 wallet. This is a MetaMask wallet address. It is only secured by MetaMask's recovery keys or phrase, which was generated online, which we do not want to use. So we've got a Trezor hardware wallet. Our keys were generated offline when we set up that Trezor hardware wallet. We want to keep those keys offline. So how do we connect our Trezor hardware wallet to MetaMask? All you're going to do is click on this drop-down menu for account, and it'll say add hardware wallet. And we're going to click add hardware wallet, and we're going to click on Trezor. And it says connect your Trezor, so we have to add in our PIN. Okay, and then once it's connected, click on continue and it will pop up. We're going to actually click on the Trezor and click connect. And what it's doing right now is it's reading all of the addresses, the Ethereum addresses that are on our Trezor wallet. You're going to enter in your passphrase if you have a passphrase wallet on Trezor, and follow the directions on your Trezor. You're just going to confirm that that's the correct passphrase. And now it's going to show all of the Ethereum addresses that are on our Trezor. So if it's a brand new Trezor, you just want to pick the first one and click unlock. And you can see now it is a Trezor wallet. So we didn't have to touch our recovery phrase or private keys at all. They are completely still safe on the Trezor. They did not touch the online world, and that is what's beautiful about connecting a hardware wallet to your online wallet. Now this is a safe wallet to use, and our private keys have not been compromised at all. So this is a wallet address that you will actually see in your Trezor suite as well. And if you want to just change the name, you can change the name here by going to account details and click on the little pin, and you can say Nicole, and you can put your name in, or you can put any wallet name you want. If it's for a specific project, you can put it towards that project. If you've got multiple wallets that you're going to add, maybe you're going to add a personal crypto wallet or a business crypto wallet. You can add multiple wallets, and each wallet will have a Trezor address. You can see when I clicked on the drop down here, it actually says this is a Trezor protected wallet. So you never want to use this account 1 wallet. That is the MetaMask wallet address, and those private keys were generated online, so never use this account. So actually what I would recommend is click on these little 3 dots beside account 1 and hide this account so that you never use it. It's never even an option. So now we've got our Trezor wallet. That will be the wallet that automatically opens up on default every time you open up your MetaMask wallet. So one other thing, when we're using a hardware wallet and we haven't done the recovery seed backup on MetaMask, you're always going to get a notification saying to remind you to back up your recovery phrase on MetaMask. And since we don't need to do that, it's kind of annoying, and sometimes it actually blocks the view of you seeing your tokens. So we're going to turn that recovery reminder off. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on these three little dots, go to settings, and then we're going to click on advanced, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and it says dismiss secret recovery phrase backup reminder. It's on off. We're going to toggle this on, and then we can X out of here. And that is how simple and easy it is to connect your Trezor hardware wallet to your MetaMask wallet. So now you can go back to the video on how to set up your MetaMask wallet, and that's where I'm going to show you how to import the tokens, the crypto tokens that you're going to need for the MetaMask project. So I'll see you there.